Welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. We'll start here in Latrobe like we usually do. Behind me, Terrell and Gavin are working on tinting a new BMW X5, I think this is, right? X5. Got a Ram here for an annual inspection. In the wash bay, we're prepping a new Model S Tesla. This is here for our track package PPF job. That's the front end of the rocker panels. It's getting our 10 mil paint protection film. And so is this BMW. This is an X7, beautiful car. It's getting 10 mil PPF on the front and I believe the rocker panels as well as a ceramic coating. Our friend Carson brought in his CLS. Previously, have done a lot of work on this and he got a new carbon fiber front splitter. We're gonna be getting PPF on that. And on the lift, we have a very special car. This is a Ferrari 575. It's a manual transmission, gated manual Italian. Aaron's gonna be doing a full paint protection film wrap on that car. A lot of it is custom cut bulk pieces, which Aaron is great at, but it takes a lot of time to get it right. Lots of action outside. We have a Volvo XC90. This one's here for a ceramic coating. There's a Mustang here. I don't know why. Somebody knows why. I checked over the work orders before I came out, and I don't know why that's here, but we thank you for bringing it in. We don't want to leave you out at what's in the shop. Beside that is a BMW 4 Series Coupe. This one's from the body shop. We're here to recoat a quarter panel. So evidently must have been some damage to that car. And our friend Keaton brought in his Jaguar F-Type R for a ceramic coating. We previously tinted this. This Ram was here, I believe, for an annual inspection. And another Tesla. This one is a Model 3. This one's here for PPF on the front bumper. There's our loaner car. We like to brag about that whenever we can. We are the only shop around that will give you a free car to use while we have yours. And beside that is a Buick that got some paint protection film on the front. This Model S was here for a ceramic coating. And we've got Aaron's beautiful ZL1 making an appearance. Starting to get warmer, nicer weather, and so the cool cars are coming out. Again, as always, make sure you comment on it and let Aaron know that his car is slow and he's gonna get beat by the GT3 RS around Mid-Ohio and Nelson Ledges this year. Let's check in with the other shops and see what's happening.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. Up front, we have a 2025 Porsche 911. After getting a full wrap about 2 months ago, had to go into the body shop to get some paint work on the entire front end. So it's back in the shop this week to get PPF applied on the full front clip and the ceramic coating reapplied. Next in line for a full wrap is this SL63. This is getting a full 8 mil paint protection film wrap on each and every painted surface. Next up is a Ram 1500. This is a ceramic coating in the works. We got a lot of the vehicle polished, but not all of it. Once the full paint correction is complete, Mark will be doing a 4-year ceramic coating on the entire wheels, body, and glass. Also in the shop for a ceramic coating is this G-Wagon. This is fully wrapped in stealth paint protection film, and Mark did this thing on it, doing a full coating on the entire PPF, wheels, calipers, and glass. Over here, we got Mark doing his thing on this Tesla Model Y. This was in a collision. Fortunately, insurance is covering the cost to get the PPF and ceramic coating reapplied to the front bumper, the right fender, and the front right wheel. Fresh out of the PPF bay is this Ford F600. This got some satin black paint protection film on the entire hood. Kind of gives this truck a unique look. In the tint bay, we got Cole working on this GMC Sierra. This is getting all the side windows and back windows tinted in our Prime CS window tint. Back in the prep bay, we got Patrick doing some prep work on this 09 Lamborghini Gallardo. This is in for a full body paint correction and a 8-year ceramic coating. Back in the PPF bay, we got a Rivian R1S in here for a full body stealth wrap. We're doing stealth PPF on all of the painted areas, and then Ultimate Plus, a clear glossy finish PPF on all of the black accent pieces. We have also tinted the 2 front windows on this vehicle 20% to match the factory tint. And once these guys wrap it up back here in the PPF bay, Mark will get his hands on it for a 4-year ceramic coating. Outside and next in line for some window tint is this Subaru Crosstrek. This is getting the 2 front windows tinted 20% to match the factory tint.
Hey guys, welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. Let's see what we got going on today.
In the PPF bay, we have Max working on this 750S Spider. It's in for full body paint protection film, ceramic coating, and window tint all around.
That's it for this week in Miami. We have a couple other projects behind us, but can't really show those right now.
Hi guys, Sarasota checking in, and today we have 3 cars getting our XR Plus all the way around. Let's check them out. Starting the morning off right, we have a brand new 2026 Charger Scat Pack coming in. As you can see, it is a fishbowl, but we're going to change that with 15% in our XR Plus all the way around, complete with a 55% front windshield. Up next, we have this beautiful Model X, also brand new. They're going in with 35% all the way around. And last but certainly not least, in this beautiful yellow, we have a 2026 brand new Corvette getting 15% all the way around and a 55% front windshield, all in XR Plus. Everyone is looking good and leaving here feeling better. That's all we have from us today. We'll see you next week. Bye!